In today's video, I'm going to teach you change Discord username on PC web. Whether you're on the desktop app or using Discord in a browser, the process is the same and it only takes a minute. I'll walk you through each click and share a few helpful tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Discord on your computer. If you're in the app, make sure you're logged into the correct account. If you're on the web, go to the Discord site and sign in. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area with a small gear icon labeled User Settings. Click that gear to open your settings. You'll land in the My Account section. If you're not there already, click My Account in the left sidebar. This is where your core account details live, including your current username. To change it, find the username line and click the Edit button next to it. A small window will appear where you can type your new username. Take a moment to choose something you're happy with. Discord now uses unique global usernames, so the name you enter must be available and follow Discord's rules. Typically, usernames can include letters, numbers, underscores, and periods, and they're usually lowercase. If you see an error, it's often because the name is taken or includes characters that aren't allowed. Try a slight variation or add a number if needed. Also, remember that a display name is different from your username. The display name is what people often see in servers, while your username is your unique account handle. After you've entered the new username, Discord will ask for your account password to confirm the change. This is a security check to make sure it's really you making the update. Carefully type your password, then review your new username one more time so you're confident it's correct. When you're ready, click Done. Your username updates instantly. You'll see the new name reflected in your account settings right away, and it will propagate across your servers and DMs shortly after. If something looks cached, a quick app reload can help, but usually there's nothing else you need to do. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, go to User Settings, head to My Account, edit your username, enter your password, and click Done. Keep your new username simple, appropriate, and memorable, and avoid changing it too frequently to prevent confusion among friends and server members. Thanks for watching and enjoy your fresh new handle on Discord.